Okay guys, just been requested to do update on cable and FTSE. Cable's useless, there's nothing in it at this moment in time, but FTSE's not so bad. It's a scalp, it'll only be a very quick in and out trade. So let's get into this. And a warm welcome, one and all. I need a coffee, and then I'm going to spark this up. I'm going to see if we can get a few ticks. So off we go. Well done, girl. I like you. Honk honk. Right. We're going to be dropping an order in and above here. Let me just pull this down, and I'll get over onto that in just a second. So it's going to be quite a quick, easy trade, to be honest. Well, I'm saying quick, easy trade. None of them is easy. But it's actually only for 4 pips. So it'll be about 20 quid. So I'm looking for it to break that and then slam up into here. Now, the idea behind it is it's just on a 5-minute chart. We're following this move up. We've broke this level. The sheet that I've just been working out, I'll show you the big version in a moment. Well, I'll show you it first, actually, is this. Now, if I look at FTSE, it's telling me the higher time frames are all over the place. So I need to be careful. It's a risky trade because it's a C and it's a scalp. So it tells me what to operate. It's telling me that the low time frames are buying and the trade is going to be a buy. And again, if I'm looking at extra confluence, I look through a +1, -1 situation, and it's also telling me to scalp this thing as a buy. Okay. So that's the premise, and it worked out what the target should be. And the target is based on an ATR. Now, what I've done and where it's come from is in here. Now, we do have a trader clinic, which is Ask Scruff, and Scott's dropped in here. Can I add these to cable? Trader clinic's really about video requests. So that's what that is. It's just saying, just drop it into the market updates and I'll pick it up. It's just sometimes I don't go in there too often, that's all. But I'm in here all the time. And as we see, you'll have seen a video earlier on of me doing oil. There'll be USJPY if that comes into play, which was here. And they're all being tracked all the way through. And I do updates throughout the day. And then there it is there. So they can actually see what it is I'm looking for before I go into market. Okay. So let's get this out the way. And we'll have a little look so we can see this in greater detail. Now, what I want to do is get this to a better price. So I'm going to actually follow this down on 5 minutes. So every red close, I'll move that down and then it'll just go pop, grab the money, and away we go. Now, that's what I was doing earlier on today with the oil. You'll see that on the channel. And the only ticket is that one. Now, I could rack and stack, but because it's a scalp, I'm just going to be single position, get in, get out. If it triggers and goes against me, I will scale it a little bit, but I won't go mad with it. All right. So, but I just want to get in and get out for the guys. All right. So catch you in a bit. Okay, so that was for you, Scott. That was scalping the FTSE. But when I was doing my staging, I kept it really tight on purpose. When it went down, pulled the targets in so the bottom ones would achieve a monetary outcome and also take the stress off the trade. Now, again, if you look at it, it's a 5-minute chart. It's really compressed over the course of the last hour, which is what I was scalping in. Got in, got out, got done. Make certain I've got no tickets left because I don't want anything running. So yeah, got my tickets out. And then there you go. That's the job done. It's now 20 past 10. I can relax, get a coffee. Easy. So again, trading not that hard. Have your plan, get in, work hour to hour, and you'll find that this job is really quite simple. The hard part has been and always will be you. It's your mindset. It's how you approach the job. Anyway, that's another one. Catch you soon.